So as far as your English language is concerned, we'll be solving more of do as directed, we'll be solving more of prepositions, we'll be having exercises on joining of sentences, verbs and tenses. There are a lot to practice and there is no end to it. Now, what I would like to suggest you is you just concentrate more on miscellaneous kind of sentences which you have not yet touched or which we had planned to do it in class 10. Right now, you have done your basic kind of sentences where you have solved sentences beginning with no sooner, hardly. You have done narratives, you have done directors, you have done direct and indirect speech, so many things you have done. But now what we are going to focus is only the sentences which are of a miscellaneous kind or types. Before we start our topic for today, I would like to suggest you a small thing that this lockdown period has to be utilized by each and everyone in an efficient manner. Now, here you have the time period to work on your essay writing skills, your letter writing skills, notice, email. Take down some random topics and try and work out there. You might get stuck somewhere, or maybe while construction of the sentences, you might not find an appropriate word, or maybe you find this sentence to be difficult, or you cannot understand that particular sentence. You might find difficulty in framing up a sentence. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay, switching down to today's topic. Today we will be discussing about rather and prefer, the interchanging of rather and prefer. Now, rather and prefer are words that are used to show a choice from different options. Okay, now let's talk about prefer and rather in detail. Now, rather and prefer are words used to show a choice from different options. That's what we have come to know. Now, let us start with some examples. Suppose if someone asks you, would you rather eat pizza or cake? Now you have to reply something. Now, as per your choice, you have to give an answer to that concerned person. So, when you are going to reply him or her, you are going to say, I would prefer to eat pizza. Now, why in case of rather you are using something else? Why in case of prefer you are using this particular preposition as to? This is the question. Okay. Now let's learn the formula along with the keyword. But before we switch on to the formula, remember the GMR rule. That is the grammar, meaning and rubric. See, your grammar construction should be absolutely correct to get that 1 mark. Got it? Meaning should not change at any cost. Got it? So you can write here is like meaning should not change. Correct? Next, rubric is the set of instructions that you need to follow. Now, grammar, absolutely correct construction should be there. There's no compromise in writing wrong English. Got it? Meaning should not change at any cost. Like when you're changing or interchanging rather to prefer, or maybe they have asked you to use prefer, the meaning that has been given in the sentence rather has to be the same when you are converting it in prefer. Got it? So meaning there's no chance of changing. Next, rubric is a set of instruction, as I said you, whether the instruction is begin with something, end with something, or use something. Got it? Okay. After that, now you see, if we talk about the formula, rather will be followed by than. Okay. Now here, rather separates the two activities that we are comparing. Got it? So this rather and than together, it is separating the two activities that we are comparing in a sentence. Got it? Okay. The activity before rather than is the one we want to do the most. Got it? Understand this very clearly. Again, I am telling you. Rather than separates two activities that we are comparing. And the activity before rather than is the one we want to do the most. Okay. So, now I'll be moving on to the example. Got it? Now suppose I say I would prefer to walk rather than get a taxi. Got it? So let us write this sentence. Okay, it is like I would prefer to walk rather than get a taxi. This is our sentence. Got it? Now if you see, what did I say you? Rather will be followed by than. Now we are going to check our formula. So now see, rather is being followed by than here. Correct? So this is a kind of a sentence that has prefer and rather together. Correct? We have prefer and rather together. But generally, this is only to explain you the fact where we are going to use prefer and where you are going to use rather. And in your board examination, you have to convert prefer into rather, rather into prefer, and the meaning should not change. Correct? If you see this sentence, it says that I would prefer to walk rather than get a taxi. Just now what I said you, rather than separates the two activities that we are comparing. Two activities is, one is walking, one is getting a taxi here. Got it? So now rather than is separating the activities, two activities that we are having in this particular sentence. Now the activity before rather than is the one we want to do the most. Now see, the activity before rather than, what is that? You are preferring to walk. This is the activity that you want to do the most. And the second one, you don't like it or you don't want it to do. Okay, moving down to our second word, we have prefer along with to. Correct? So let's take a sentence. I prefer tea to coffee. Correct? So our sentence is I prefer tea to coffee. This means that I like tea more than coffee. Got it? So see, I prefer tea to coffee. That means I like tea more than coffee. Now notice that we use the preposition to just to separate the two things that we are comparing. In that case, it was rather than. Here it is prefer to. Now see, I prefer tea to coffee. Here we are using the preposition to just to separate two things that we are comparing. The thing before preposition to is the thing that we like the most. Now see, again we'll go back to our explanation. I prefer tea to coffee. Now what I said, the thing before the preposition to is the thing that we like the most. Got it? Now this is our preposition. The thing before the preposition is tea, and what I like is tea. Correct? I prefer tea to coffee. So that was about the structure of prefer and rather. Now we still need to learn the usage in a sentence. Got it? You need to know what kind of questions can be asked in ICSE, what are the kind of formulas where you are going to use what, but keep one thing in mind, prefer to rather than. Now let's have a small recapitulation about what we have learned today. Okay, so here we go. Would prefer is always followed by the infinitive to plus base form. Taking an example, I would prefer him to drive. Next, we use the preposition to when comparing our preference of two things. Got it? We use the preposition to when comparing our preference of two things. Next thing is, we use rather than to compare two things that we would prefer to do, as I have cited in the example. Correct? Next, you have to remember about the keyword that is prefer to, rather than. Got it? These two things have to be kept in mind. Got it? And next class I'll be teaching you how to put in form of a sentence. Okay, so in the next class I'll be teaching you about the usage of prefer and rather, how to construct into a sentence, how to interchange it, how to use the formula, everything. Before that, you have to be prepared with this particular module. What you do is just go through the entire module, try and see where to apply what, try to construct few sentences, use the same amount formula what has been given to you. Correct? If you find anything difficult or if you cannot understand anything, do ask me. Correct? Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning.